Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR A370 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to change the language on your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the POLAR Flow application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the POLAR Flow application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, you should see the main page, the home page. Now tap on the menu icon right here in the top left corner, or on the iPhone, it's gonna be right here on the bottom of the screen. Basically, tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on devices, and you should see the device page for your A370. On this page, you should see the option called device language. Tap on it. Come on. Like this. And once you tap on it, you should see the list of languages. And you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you want to use on your smartband, tap on it to select it, then tap on the done button. And now we need to sync our smartband with our phone. To do it, you need to find the side button on your smartband. It's usually on the left bottom side right here. You need to press and hold it and keep holding it until you see this message on the screen, and wait until the devices are done syncing. And once the devices are done syncing, the language should be applied. So if we open the menu, as you can see, it changed. And once you're done, you can simply close the application. And that's how you change the language on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.